I guess it's snowing today. In April. But hopefully it's not gonna stick, because the weather's saying that it's gonna be hot the rest of the week. And plus, I think the ground is too hot for the snow to stick. So, yeah, it's fun.
Hand on the game, we are not playing the same. No, we not looking to change. Hand on the wheel, they think we lacking the drive. Boy, you should stay in your lane. Foot on the gas, I do not care if I crash, long as I stick to the plan. What is the plan? I cannot lie for none of you, long as I know who I am.
Okay, so the helmet is all sanded. So this is how it's supposed to look like after you put the resin on and sand it. It should be really it should feel like primer almost, really chalky like, you know, versus this one where I kept on trying to sand it and it kept on becoming sticky. So I think this quite literally needs to have 2 weeks to cure, just because again I didn't put enough catalyst. So yeah, so now I'm gonna go ahead and clean this one up and, you know, wipe it down with like a cloth, a wet cloth. Maybe even just run it through some water, and then we'll get to doing the priming. The sun is out. Really bright today. Too hot. Okay, so starting a new print. I can't see me. Okay, so the helmet is primed. Now it's time to do some more sanding. So now it should be time for some wet sanding. Final coat of primer, so you guys can see sparkles, like black spray. So what that's for is it's called a guide coat, and so when you start sanding, you'll know where you missed and where you didn't, and it also shows like low points in the surface. So it's a good way to check the surfaces when you're cleaning. All right, let's get to sanding again. I feel like this video is just like 90% sanding. But yeah, welcome to my sanding tutorial. So as you guys saw, I made a mess. I was trying to use this with the Montana black cans, or Montana cans, but I guess, I don't know what it is, but it just made it spew everywhere. It was crazy. Yeah, you guys saw, I cleaned my hands now, but you guys saw that my hand was all messy and stuff. But anyways, yeah, so all that priming and sanding paid off. You can see how smooth the paint is. Super clean, super smooth. This is like car paint style. But yeah, but I do have a lot of training in painting cars and car models and prototypes. So that's where I learned most of my model making skills from. But yeah, I mean, as you guys can see, it's pretty clean. Let's go to the other side. I don't want to touch it, but it's pretty shiny. This should cure, or it should finish off with matte. I mean, the paint should be matte, but if it's gloss, then damn it, I did it wrong. But if it's gloss, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mask off the parts I want to be matte, and I do have matte paint that I can spray on. So yeah, there's some little imperfections here and there, so like some dust and a little bit of orange peel. But overall, I mean, it's pretty clean. It's pretty shiny. Well, it's shiny right now because it's wet, but hopefully, I don't know, the bottle said it's matte, so we'll see how that turns out. But anyways, yeah. So thank you for watching the videos, and you know, right now the next steps are to get the lens cut out, CNC'd. I'm sorry, not CNC'd, laser cut out of polyurethane, not polyurethane. I don't remember the plastic, but I have it upstairs. And then I'm gonna get some graphics cut out to paste on it, and then I'll be finished with one helmet. I was hoping to see if I could go ahead and do a resin on one helmet, but this one's gonna take a little bit of time to dry, so I'm just gonna hold out on that for the next video. And here's the results. So painting with the Montana flat black, and I must say I really like the flat paint. Freaking awesome. Exactly what I wanted, actually. There's some mistakes here and there, but overall, I really like it. I like the results. Yeah, I spent a lot of time sanding this one, so it came out better than the first prototype. I think I might mask off some of the parts like I have in my sketch and make it gloss. So like that's gonna be gloss, that's gonna be gloss, and then part of this is gonna be gloss. And then I'm thinking about having like some red details on top and at the holes, and I don't know, I'll play with some different variations. But yeah, there you have it.